Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to move your XDC cryptocurrency from Uphold to Ledger in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure, and transferring to a hardware wallet like Ledger is a smart move. This guide is straightforward, but always remember to handle your crypto with care to avoid any losses. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account set up and your Ledger device ready. Update your Ledger firmware to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. That's crucial for smooth transactions. Once that's done, open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Ledger device via USB. You'll need to navigate to the XDC app on your Ledger. If it's not installed, go ahead and install it from the app catalog. Next, log into your Uphold account on a secure browser. Head over to your XDC wallet section and select the option to withdraw or send funds. This is where you copy your Ledger's XDC receive address. Double-check it to ensure it's correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Paste that address into the "to" field on Uphold, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the network fees. XDC typically uses the XDC network, so confirm that matches. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation prompt on both Uphold and your Ledger device. Always verify on your Ledger first for added security. Once the transaction is broadcast, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion in 2025. And you're done. Your XDC should now be safely in your Ledger wallet. Remember, crypto can be risky, so never share your private keys and always use two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.